Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And for today's lesson, we will learn how to solve system of equation. So now let's start with the first example. Here I have 2x minus y equal negative 13 and x minus 4y is equal negative 24. So if you want to solve this exercise, you need to eliminate one of these variables. You can eliminate variable x or eliminate variable y. So in this case, I will eliminate variable x. Okay, if you want to eliminate x, you need to multiply the second equation with negative 2. Okay, so now we can rewrite it as 2x minus y is equal to negative 13. X multiplied by negative 2 is negative 2x. Negative 4y multiplied by negative 2 is positive 8y. Negative 24 multiplied by negative 2 is equal 48. After that, we need to add both equations. So 2x minus 2x equals 0. Negative y plus 8y is 7y. Negative 13 plus 48 is equal 35. So let's divide both sides by 7. Now y is equal 5. After that, you need to substitute y equal 5 into this equation or this equation. So now let's replace it to the first equation. So we get 2x minus 5 is equal negative 13. So let's add both sides by 5. So we get 13 plus 5. Okay, so negative 5 and positive 5 is equal 0. So now we get 2x is equal negative 8. So let's divide both sides by 2. We get x is equal negative 4. Okay, so the same exercise, but I want to eliminate variable y. Okay, so let's do it together. We have 2x minus 5 equal negative 13 and x minus 4y equal negative 24. But in this way, I want to eliminate y. So I need to multiply the first expression with negative 4. Because negative y multiplied by negative 4 is positive 4y. So positive 4y and negative 4y is equal 0. It means we can eliminate variable y. Okay, so let's rewrite it. We get 2x multiplied by negative 4 is negative 8x. Negative y multiplied by negative 4 is positive 4y is equal negative 13 multiplied by negative 4 is equal 52. Okay, so the second equation, we can write it again as x minus 4y equal negative 24. Okay, so now let's add both equations. We get negative 8x plus x is equal negative 7x and 4y and negative 4y is 0. 52 minus 24 is equal 28. After that, let's divide both sides by negative 7. So now we get x is equal negative 4. Okay, so let's replace x equal negative 4 to one of both one of both equations. Okay, it means you can replace in this equation or this equation. Okay, so now I want to substitute x equal negative 4 into the first equation. So we get 2 multiplied by negative 4 minus y is equal negative 13. So 2 multiplied by -4 is -8 equal negative y equal -13. So let's add both sides by +8. We get this. So negative y is equal -5. Okay. So y is equal 5. So you see that you can eliminate x or y, but the result is the same because x equal -4 and y equal -5. So let's see it. Yes, it's the same. Okay. So you can eliminate one of both variables. Okay. So see you in the next video. Bye bye. I hope you understand it. And if you have any question, you can comment me. Okay. Bye bye. See you in the next video.